Today I am going to show you how to make camshaft crankshaft bushing in SolidWorks. So let's begin. At first click here, select part and click OK. Now go to sketch and click on sketch, and from here select front plane. Now select circle, draw one circle and another circle. Okay, go to smart dimension and take this one 127 millimeter and this one 76.2 millimeter. Okay, now go to features and select extruded boss or base. Okay, now take this one 19.05. Okay, now spacebar, normal tool. Now click here and click on sketch. Now click on offset entities and take this one 2.54. Okay, now select here and click on convert entities. Now these two are converted. Now go to features again and select extruded boss or base and take this one 2.54. Okay, now one part is completed. Now let's move for another part. So spacebar, normal 2. Now go to sketch, select circle. Okay, so select front plane, sketch, circle. So one circle and another circle. Okay, smart dimension and take this one 25.4 and the smaller one 19.05. Okay, now go to features and click on extruded boss or base and take this one 19.05. Okay, so almost completed. Now let's apply the material. Now go to edit material, right button, click right button and go to edit material and go to iron, and you can select any of them. I am selecting ductile iron. Apply, close. Now edit appearance. So I am selecting this one, so double click on this one. So this one is selected. Now just change the background. So this is our camshaft crankshaft bushing. So if you think that this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos, and if you have any question you can ask that in the comment box. Thank you.